Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is resourceful. Let's learn what it means. Resourceful means being good at finding quick and clever ways to solve problems. A resourceful person uses available resources effectively to overcome challenges. Here's an example. Sarah is very resourceful. She found a way to complete the project despite having limited resources. This means she used creativity and problem-solving skills to overcome challenges. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word resourceful? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!